Hey everyone, okay, so in this tip I want to just quickly talk about block and transparent colours. So I'm just going to upload a picture to my story. Let's just do this one. And then what you can do, you can actually, we'll do block colour first, you can actually add a block colour over the top. So if you go to the squiggly line and make sure it's on the first pen and then choose whatever colour you want to choose. So I'm just going to choose that one. I'm going to hold my finger on the screen and it's going to put a block colour over that. Now what you might want to do, I'm just going to make it slightly thinner, you can go to the far end pen, so the one from the far end next to the done, that's actually an eraser. So if you wanted to tease people, so say you had an image underneath, you could do something like this and then write new post or something, which obviously will tease the image. And then you could do, I don't know, a tap here or an arrow which will go to the next story that will reveal that image. So, there's lots of different things that you can do. Or what you might want to do instead is, if you had the block colour, is make it a bit fatter, the eraser, and then you could obviously erase some of the image. So you could be a bit creative with it and obviously do different things that you wanted to do. But what you can do as well, which I absolutely love and I find really, really creative, so we undo all that. Actually, if we come out of that, I'm going to upload a new one. So let's do this one. Now, what you can do is you can go to the squiggly line again, and instead, if you go to the third pen in, and let's just select the white and hold your finger on the screen, it's actually a transparent overlay. So you can actually we have that transparency and then right over the top, or add additional images. And what I actually like doing, I often, if I'll pinch the image, so let's pinch the image. Oh, hold on, we've got the pen. Let me just come out of that. So upload it again. Right, so I'll pinch the image and I'll move it over to one side a little bit. And then literally, if you go back to the pen, obviously make sure the third one is selected, it's white selected, so I'll hold it down. So then it has that transparency. I'm then going to click done. I'm then going to go to the sticker again, and I'm going to go to the image upload again underneath the quiz. So it'll go to my camera roll, and I'm going to upload that image again, and I'm going to make it bigger. So then it has obviously the image behind and then that image at front. And it just makes it a little bit more creative. And then I can go to, obviously, to the text, and let's do summer. So I'm going to add that summer to there. And then I'm going to do maybe a different font, and let's do days. And then I'm going to, fiddly fingers, let me just grab that days. Summer. And then actually I'm going to change the colour to, so it stands out a bit more. Let's try and see if I can pick up the green. There you go. And the same here. Get the same green as that. Perfect. So, it's just a different way of trying to be creative with your stories. And obviously you can add different things, add GIFs, hashtags and everything else. But it's just showing you how block colours and transparent colours can make a difference to your stories. So I hope that helps, guys, and I'll speak to you in a bit.